morning! Oh, mabuhay. What's this? Alright. Ito. Akala ko ano. Okay. Japanese niya din po ito. Morning! Papara. Okay. Oh, playground pa dito ah. Ha?
Nice.
Okay, what's this? Medyo ko gusto dito. Juice of the day, oh. Juice of the day. This. Emerald Fresh. Cheap for it. Okay, what's here? What's here? What's inside tuyo? Okay, tuyo here. Sangguniza, tuyo dahing gilid. Hotdog. Oh, ganda naman ng hotdog nila. Talagang fresh na init pa. And may tapa. Gusto ko pinagtapa. Alright. Okay, what's this? Pansit. Mickey. Sado. Oh. Galit. Chicken adobo. Chicken adobo. Wow. Sarap na. And sopas. Sopas is wow. No, pwede mapuputok dito. Tinapay. Taho. Tapos. Tayong taho. Very good. Nang wala, omelette with everything. Walang omelette. Where's the omelette? Morning! Baked penne, hard-boiled egg, French toast, pancake, waffles. India naman ito, Indian food. Wow, little India. Okay. We have biryani rice. We have the chana, masala, sambar soup, aloo bhaji. Okay. We have lots and lots of Indian foods here. Kira grabe, ang dami pagkain dito sa breakfast. So dami. Century egg, radish, spicy, vegan, pork loss. Okay, kalamansi. Sautawan, ang dami sautawan dito. What's here? Asia naman to, Asia. Taste of Asia. Okay, Chinese TX. Yo, chow sticks. Siopay, red bean bun. Yun, siopaw. Red bean bun, pork siopaw. Then we have ayam recap mark ba? Hindi ko kalala ito mga to ah. What's this? Taylor, balado, efu noodles, steam. Ayun, nawala, steam fish. Alright. And ito po yung mga pastries naman. Hard roll. Okay, ang una yan dito. Ano naman? Yung mga drinks. Okay, sobrang dami po. Meron pang Yakult to. Grabe. Ang galing ni Yakult, nakasingin siya dito ah. No, what's this? Jello. And we have fresh fruits here. Fruits. And this one, what's this? Yan, sarap yan. Favorites. Tinapay. Okay, what's this? Tinapay. Okay. Important meal of the day. Coffee. Batangas coffee. Ito yung Batangas coffee ho rito. What's this? Creamery. Honeycomb, mga palaman naman to. Oh, that's it. Kaya na po tayo ulit rito. Butter. Tayong tasty. Okay. Then, may tayo mga cheeses dito. Cheddar cheese. Chevre. Emmental cheese. Skim milk. Soya milk. Full cream milk. Okay, cereals here. What's this? Hot chocolate is good. Hot chocolate. Okay, ano meron sa kabila? Muesli. Berkshire muesli. Plain yogurt. Greek yogurt. Mixed berries yogurt. Sweetened pear. And of course, the chia seeds. Lots and lots of seeds here. And we have here lioner, salami, and pepper lioner. Okay? Okay, naubusan na tayo nito, definitely. We're very late na kasi. We have your salad. And of course, sausage salad. Salmon fruit salad. We have fruit salad here. Okay. So, that's all. Wrap. Okay, good. So, okay, ito po yung mga top choices natin today.
Send mo sa akin. Ano yung sticker ko na?
Top choices. Kailangan ng mga choices mo today. Bacon, pancake, tsaka what's that? Ha?
Ano po? Itlog.
Itlog. And ano yung drinks mo?
Apple juice.
Apple juice? Wow. Apple juice ha. Ngayon, dami niya pagkain na yan.
Ano yan kasi?
Tagtag ka ng rice ha. Grabe.
Mental siya pero
Ha? Okay, good.
ngayon. Trabaho ka muna lang.
Let's check yung mga choices mo for breakfast. What's this? Ha? Halo-halo? And pastries. Nuts and ano, chia.
Halo-halo.
And asado bread. Asado ba?
Asado po.
Okay, good. Kaya na.
Coffee pa ba? Wala. Yan yata yung coffee ko eh.
What's your second choice again?
Tuyo ko tas langit.
Luyo tsaka danggit ha. And what's the sausage?
Hotdog po.
And hot dog. Okay, second choices. Okay? Okay, ito na po yung mga empty natin, no? Bottles, no? Mga kainan. Meron tayong coffee dito. Okay. So sabi niya, don't waste food. Okay? Unfortunately, hindi ko na kayang busin to. No? Take out na lang to. Pagkaya na lang yung sayang. Okay?
Ay, gusto ko.
Grabe sila. Ba naubos mo yung rice? Hindi ko nakuha na ng video yun ah.
Hindi na, ganun lang.
Walang joke ka. Inubos mo yun? Dilis, rice, tuyo, ganon? Oh no. Okay, Mia, pangilan mo na yan. Ha? Anong oras na? 10 o'clock na, kumakain ka pa rin? Ha? 3 hours ka na kumakain, ha? Okay? Sige. Hi, Mia! Finally! Naligo rin, no? Kasi for 3 days po, no?